All right, in our last video, we showed how you could create a connection from the database tools connection service back to a schema in Apex. In this video, we're going to take a look at how you can use policies and groups and users to enable a data analyst to look at the information in that schema, but not have any access to Apex or anything else outside of that. So you maybe remember this was our connection that was made, and we ran the simple query to pull data from the Apex schema. All right, so what we're going to do now, I'm actually just going to go ahead and log out. The current user is cbaber@gmail.com. He's actually an administrator user, and we're going to log into a much less privileged user, cbaber@yahoo. So as we log in the first time with this particular user, one of the things that you'll notice is they have, virtually no privileges at all to the entire tenancy. For example, they can't even see the compartment now. They can't see any connections or anything that are taking place. So what we're going to do is go back in as our admin user and start by creating a new IDCS group. So first we're going to go to our federation. We're going to go down here to groups, create a new IDCS group. Next, we're going to go back to identity. We're going to create a local OCI group. We'll go back to our federation over here, and we'll create a group mapping from IDCS to OCI. All right, now comes the fun part, which is we want to create our policy. Now there are really three statements that we're going to put in here that will enable cbaber@yahoo to use this connection. First, we want to allow the user to read the secret, and that's where we're keeping our credentials. Second, we want to allow the user to read the database tools family in the compartment chip Terraform. And last, we want to allow them to use the database tools connections in chip Terraform. And of course, we could add where clauses over here to restrict more, but for the purpose of today, we'll keep it at this high level. Last but not least, we probably could have done this earlier, but we're going to go ahead back into our group, and we're going to add our IDCS user. So we're going to add cbaber@yahoo, and now we can go test it. As we go in now, we can see that we can view the chip Terraform compartment. We can take a look at the connection that we made for Sluggers. We can open the SQL worksheet and run the same query that we did earlier, only this time as the data analyst with very limited privileges.